How to save emails to Notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mailboxes. Then, go to Inbox. You can view all your emails over here. Open any email. If you want to save this email, then scroll down and tap on the reply icon as shown. Scroll down and tap on Print. Select the pages you want to print and then tap on the share icon above. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Tap on Notes from the options. Choose where you want to save it in the Notes folder and then tap on Save above. Now, go back and open up the Notes app. Go to the note where you just saved the email. You can now open and view the email from here. Following these steps, you can easily save emails to Notes on iPhone.